Intro. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into an increasingly crucial topic in the world of artificial intelligence and data processing, building a scalable AI workflow for real-time data processing, from ingestion all the way to model deployment. As businesses continue to leverage artificial intelligence to drive insights and automate decision-making, having a robust workflow is vital. We'll break down each component step by step, ensuring you leave with a clear understanding of what it takes to create a scalable AI system. Section 1: Understanding the importance of real-time data processing. Before we jump into the workflow, let's talk about why real-time data processing matters. In a world that's becoming more interconnected, businesses now have access to vast amounts of data generated every second. Whether it's user interactions, IoT sensor data, or financial transactions, being able to process this data in real time can provide a significant competitive edge. Imagine an e-commerce business that can analyze customer behavior as it happens. If a customer adds a product to their cart, real-time data processing enables the business to make instantaneous recommendations, alerting the customer to discounts or additional products. On the other hand, delayed responses can lead to lost sales and missed opportunities. This example clearly illustrates that being able to act quickly on data insights is essential. Section 2: Key components of a scalable AI workflow. Now that we understand the importance of real-time processing, let's outline the key components of a scalable AI workflow. The workflow can be divided into several stages: data ingestion, data processing, model training, model deployment, and monitoring. Each of these stages plays a critical role in ensuring that our AI system runs efficiently, scales properly, and remains viable over time. Section 3: Data ingestion. Let's start with data ingestion, which is the first step in our workflow. Data ingestion refers to the method of collecting and importing data for further processing and analysis. There are various types of data sources, including structured data from databases, unstructured data from social media, and streaming data from IoT devices. To build a scalable ingestion system, one of the key considerations is choosing the right tools. Popular frameworks like Apache Kafka, Apache Flink, and Amazon Kinesis are designed to handle real-time data streams. These tools can manage high-throughput data sources while ensuring low latency, which is crucial for real-time applications. When setting up your ingestion layer, it's essential to establish a robust schema management strategy. This allows your system to evolve over time without breaking existing data pipelines. Tools like Apache Avro or protocol buffers can help you maintain schema versions safely, ensuring that as your data evolves, your AI system remains resilient. Section 4: Data processing. Once data is ingested, it moves into the data processing phase. This step is where we clean, transform, and enrich our data to make it suitable for analysis. Real-time data processing frameworks like Apache Spark or Apache Flink provide high-performance processing capabilities and can work with streaming data. Data processing is often broken down into two types: batch processing and stream processing. While batch processing deals with large volumes of data collected over a period, stream processing focuses on real-time data as it is ingested. For AI workflows, stream processing is typically more relevant, as it allows for immediate analytics and insights. During the processing stage, it's also important to apply data validation checks and handle any anomalies or outliers. This ensures that the data fed into the models is of high quality. In addition, techniques like windowing can be employed to group data into manageable chunks for processing, facilitating efficient and timely analytics. Section 5: Feature engineering. After processing, we arrive at a critical phase: feature engineering. This stage involves selecting, modifying, or creating new features that can help improve the performance of machine learning models. Good feature engineering can significantly affect the accuracy of your models and ultimately the success of your AI application. Automated feature engineering tools, such as Feature Tools or Tidyverse in R, can assist in streamlining this process. However, human expertise is often invaluable here. Understanding the domain and context of the data is crucial in identifying which features are likely to be most predictive. To ensure scalability, it's essential to develop a consistent feature set that can easily adapt as new data comes in. This means maintaining a feature store, a centralized repository where you can store, modify, and retrieve features for model training. Tools like Tekton and Feast are designed to help manage feature stores effectively. Section 6, Model Training. Once our data is processed and our features are engineered, we move on to model training. This is where we use historical data to train our machine learning models. It's vital to choose the right algorithms based on the problem you're trying to solve, whether it's classification, regression, or clustering. In a scalable workflow, leveraging cloud-based platforms can be beneficial. Services like Google Cloud AI, AWS SageMaker, and Azure ML provide robust computing power and can scale according to demand. They also offer built-in tools for hyperparameter tuning, enabling you to optimize model performance without extensive manual intervention. Another critical aspect of model training is implementing a continuous training pipeline. This ensures that your models remain relevant as new data arrives. By setting up automated retraining schedules, you can adapt to changes in the data distribution, a phenomenon known as data drift. Section 7, Model Deployment. After training our models, the next step is deployment. This phase involves deploying the model into a production environment where it can make predictions on real-time data. There are several approaches to deployment, such as batch inference, online inference, or microservices architecture. For real-time applications, online inference is often preferred. In this case, models are deployed as APIs, allowing applications to query the model in real time. Containerization technologies like Docker and orchestration tools like Kubernetes can simplify this process by ensuring that your models are easily deployable and scalable. When deploying models, it's essential to monitor their performance and ensure they remain effective. This requires setting up monitoring systems that can track metrics such as prediction accuracy, latency, and system resource usage. By keeping an eye on these metrics, you can quickly identify issues and make necessary adjustments. Section 8, Monitoring and Maintenance. Finally, we reach the crucial stage of monitoring and maintenance. Building a scalable AI workflow is not a one-time task, it requires ongoing effort to ensure that everything runs smoothly. Monitoring involves tracking the performance of both the data pipeline and the machine learning models. Real-time monitoring can be achieved through tools like Grafana, Prometheus, or ELK Stack. These tools allow you to visualize data flow, model performance, and resource consumption in real time. You can set alerts to notify your team when a model's performance drops below a certain threshold, enabling rapid responses to potential problems. In addition to performance monitoring, regular audits of the data pipeline and model performance are essential. This includes assessing the fairness, bias, and ethical implications of your AI applications. As regulations around AI become more stringent, ensuring compliance will be increasingly important. Section 9, Conclusion. In conclusion, building a scalable AI workflow for real-time data processing involves several interlinked components: data ingestion, data processing, feature engineering, model training, deployment, and continuous monitoring. Each step is crucial in creating a system that not only meets current demands but can also scale with your business needs. To recap, start with a robust data ingestion layer using the right tools, process your data efficiently, invest time in feature engineering, train your models in a scalable environment, deploy them as services, and maintain them with continuous monitoring. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a scalable AI workflow that can effectively handle real-time data processing. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into AI and data science. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with AI workflows in the comments below. Until next time, happy building!